make a curry with bhaji peppers. It have a Sri Lankan touch, so it have a unique flavor. So don't waste time, let's go on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe we can serve 2 guests. Onto a pot on a low heat, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, half teaspoon of mustard seed. Let the mustard cracks. Add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Sliced onions, half only. Few curry leaves. 5 pieces of slit green chilies. 1 teaspoon of rock salt. Saute for a minute. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoon of crushed chilies. Saute for a minute. Let the spices are cooked. Still the onions are crunchy. Add 1 piece of tomato. Give a quick stir. Saute for 2 minutes. We need 150 grams of banana peppers or capsicum. Cut into strips. Add to the gravy. Combine well. Cover it and cook for 5 minutes. Make sure you stir in between. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon pickle. How to make lemon pickle recipe is there in my channel. Give a quick mix. Check the salt if needed. Add a little bit more. Give a quick mix. Turn off the flame. The curry is ready. Very good. The tartness from the pickle, it's enhancing the flavors. Don't miss out to try this. And give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just